Well, we're headed to another gig. We've gone home from the farmer's market. We unloaded some of our gear, and we're headed to the Tidewater Quilters Guild. I've been working this thing for 7, 8, 10 years, I guess, on Saturday. Farmer's market was pretty busy. I don't think it was a ripper by any means, but it was steady. It was just busy enough where I couldn't get any pictures of anything other than a few knives that we sharpened. I don't have any idea how many scissors we're going to get. We get scissors, and they bring some knives too, and lots of other things, but mostly scissors. We'll be there in about 10 minutes or so, 1 to 3. They want me earlier, but I told them once I can't get there till 1. Stand by, we'll see how it goes. Well, we finished up. They're all in there doing whatever they're doing. A lot of scissors. I did a lot of knives today. I didn't expect to do as many knives as I did. We had a ripper knife day here at the church. Inside, nice breeze. Outside, sunny, warm. Well, I finally made it home. We're out there playing ball now. Firecracker says, time to play ball. Big trees flopping right along. We actually ended up having more knives and scissors at the Quilters Guild than we did at the farmer's market. That's kind of unusual. But I can't complain. I can't complain. Oh, my little dog's over there. You can't see her. She's hunting rabbits. We have a wild rabbit season. She hates them. And you are ready. You are a firecracker. Look at all them balls. He's got more balls than Jack had. Yep, he certainly does. Okay, I'll see you next Saturday probably. No, I'm probably going to get some detecting in this week. I think the weather's going to be finally nice and warm. I got a steroid injection in my back. When did I get that? Wednesday maybe? So I'm good to, I should be good to go for a while. Nothing else grabs me and says, come on down here, I want to see you. Okay, that's enough. I'll see you guys later.